Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, satellite radio, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, bed liner, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.